Alright, I know that this is a lot for the first worksheet. Most of them won't have this much instruction, but I do want to go ahead and, just like I did for the GCF, I do want to do a factoring when we have variables in both terms. So I'm going to jump ahead and let's look at number 15. So we know how to find the GCF with variables. We saw that earlier. Let's just go ahead and do the same thing here. I'm going to separate the number 15 from x squared. Now 15 is obviously 3 times 5. It doesn't break down any further. Those are both prime numbers. X squared is x times x. And over here, 6x is 6 times x. And then 6x breaks down into 2 times 3. So and those are prime numbers, so I stop there. So I have my factor tree. I look for what's common, and there's only one number in common, which is 3. So for the GCF, they both have a 3. But then they also both have an x, at least one x. So that would be x. And again, we don't really need to rewrite this, but I know some people like to have a 3x without that little dot in the middle. Now I'm going to factor, so I'm going to make this is equal to, the greatest common factor goes outside of a pair of parentheses. I'll open the parenthesis. And then what am I going to do? I'm going to look for the leftovers. In this first term, I have a 5 left over, and I also have an x left over. That's going to make 5x over here. Over here in the second term, the only thing I have left over is a positive 2. And so they'll give me a plus 2. And then that is it. This is now factored. All right, I hope you're getting the hang of this. You'll have more practice on this tomorrow. Well, let's stop here.